Hello, people of the internet. Today I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing video of this pretty cool thing that I got. It's a target practice thing. You put some batteries in it and these balls kind of float on top of the machine with air, and then you take this like Nerf looking gun that comes with it and you shoot them, and I guess the things light up if you hit them or whatever. So I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to put it together and I'm going to shoot stuff and see how that goes. So first of all, it's a sharper image. It's called the Sharper Image Hoover target game. And as you can see, I got it for $9.99. It's originally like 20 bucks, I think. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond, but they have a really good clearance section if you're looking for cool stuff. So let's open it up and see what's going on. Oh, and you can see it is, just kind of gives you some of the product details in the back, and it shows you that it needs batteries. So I actually have my big bag of batteries right here. Oh, that's heavy. Alright, so let's get into it. This is the gun. Oh, it's pretty cool looking actually. I'm just curious to see if this is gonna actually work, because I don't know, sometimes you get these things and they look like crap, but this thing, does this need batteries? I don't know. Oh, maybe not. It's like a rapid action thing. Alright, so that's the gun. Then let's see what else we got. This is the target. Oops, I dropped something. And that is directions, which usually don't really read the directions. Let's just kind of see if we can find out what's going on. Oh, get up to $100. Don't tell anyone. It says, shh, don't tell anyone. Get up to $100. And Sharper Image Catch. Scratch below to see how much you'll save. Save that for later. Alright, so this is the target thing. Oh, here's the balls. So, silica gel. Save that in case your cell phone gets wet. Put it in a baggie with that. But that's for another video. So this is it. It's very light. It uses like a bunch of C batteries, so basically, I guess these are the targets in the front. Not really targets, because the ball's going to float up here. And then in the back of it, it's got like these air valves that I guess you turn the... I guess you can turn up the flow of how much air you want to go into the thing. I guess the ball goes higher or lower. So that's basically it. It's very light. I'm going to open it up if I have the right screwdriver. And I'm going to put the batteries in it. And we'll turn it on and we'll see if it really works. It's a little screw. Okay, so I need C batteries. So it takes 4, it looks like 4, yeah, 4 C batteries. So I'm just going to load them in there. The fun thing about this is it's like a target practice game that you could play. It's supposed to be, I guess, for kids, but I want to play with it. So I just lost, oh, it's right here. So I got the batteries in it. Ooh, something is happening. Alright, let me put the back on it. Do I really need this screw? Alright, I'll put it back in there because it came with it, so I'm just screwing the batteries in there. And I can't get the screw back in for some reason. Alright, that's good enough. Yay, the screw is in. Alright. So now, came with this too. Oh, the thing I dropped on the floor, it's the darts for the gun. You can see they're kind of like Nerf darts. They're like squishy. You can see they're like squishy, and they have like that suction cup thing on the front of it. And those just get loaded into the gun. So let's put a couple of them bad boys in here. Okay. They go in a certain way. I don't even know, but we'll push them in there. I think they're pushed in far enough. So we're loading the gun. Just basically, it's got like a multi-chamber thing for like rapid fire action. And I think I lost a dart. Oh, no, it's in here. So, our gun is ready to be fired. Okay, well that's not promising. Alright. Does this thing need batteries? No, I don't think so. There's no battery thing in it. Well, this might be a dud. Maybe this is why it was on clearance. But, or maybe I'm pushing them in too far. Let's try putting them in a little bit looser, shall we? See if maybe that was the problem. I should probably read the directions, but I don't really wanna. Alright. Oh, well, that one's lost. But I put the darts in too deep, so don't go too deep. Alright, now, where did I put the balls? Alright, so now we're gonna turn, oh wait, I guess you put these on there, and then the air kinda, you know, pushes them around in the air, and then you shoot them. So, and they're just little balls. So, let's put them on these things right here. Okay, where's the other one? Alright, now I'm going to turn it on. The little switch in the back. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, so, I don't know if you could turn this while it's on. That's actually pretty cool. I would have bought it just for this. But, oh, one of them fell. So, this one is giving me problems. But anyhow, you take them, you put them on here, and the air thing kind of just smushes them around. That one might be a little mushy. Alright, and then you just take the gun, and you gotta try to shoot them. Which I don't know how good we're gonna be at that with a Nerf gun, but let's see what happens. Oh, another one fell. Oh, I missed. Oh, this thing isn't that very strong, is it? Oh, I got one. Alright, so that's basically the idea of it. I cheated. Alright, so I actually think it's pretty cool. Kids are gonna love this. Because if I love it, a kid would love it. And I wonder what this thing does. Oh, the thing in the back, it changes how much air you give it. So I guess you could have the ball go higher or lower. That's probably why this one keeps falling. Because I probably had the air suction up too high. Whoa. Alright, so that's it. It's pretty cool. If you like this video, click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because I always have wacky stuff like this on there. And if you want to get this thing, they sell it at Bed Bath & Beyond. And Sharper Image makes it. So I'm sure they have it online too at sharperimage.com. If there is a thing, I don't even know. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. But yeah, let me know if you want anything else reviewed in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.